Hey guys, today we're unboxing this controller. This is a ultimate Bluetooth controller from 8BitDo. So let's have a look what you get in the box. And this is for Windows, and it's using Bluetooth or 2.4 gigahertz or USB to connect to your Windows PC and allow you to play games with a controller. Alright, so this will just be a purely unboxing of the remote, and we'll just have a look at how it looks and everything. So I haven't taken it out yet, so let's get this out of the box. Right. Okay, so it's got one of those fancy Apple type boxes, and if you just hold it nicely, it'll come out eventually. Okay, so very satisfying. This has never been opened before. This is the 8BitDo receiver or charger, which you can just connect to your PC. Let's quickly get the remote out. So it does look a lot like the Xbox controllers. Let's just put that aside for now. Also in the box, then so in the box you have the remote, and you have this, as I say, like a dock or a charging station. It's got Type C USB at the back. So when you open up here, you have a little receiver in there. That'll be your 2.4 gigahertz receiver. You can unplug that, plug it directly into your PC, or you can just use it straight through this. Let's plug it back. A very neat little design. Also, you get in the box is a USB to Type C cable. So that will be your connection to your PC, and there's just a little booklet showing you how the remote control connects. If you're not using the remote control, you can just charge it or leave it to charge like that. It's got a nice battery built into it, a rechargeable battery. There you can see at the back, you can switch the remote from a Bluetooth and a 2.4 gigahertz setting. So when you use Bluetooth, that'll be like for your telephones or stuff like that, or if your PC has a Bluetooth connection, you can use that. The 2.4 gigahertz connection, I think, will be a bit more fluent or quicker connection than the Bluetooth. And there you can see the little pins that charges from the dock. Over here you've got your lights that's on your remote that shows you in which mode it is. Over here also a few lights that gives you feedback. The feedback on this is nice, feels like a good quality remote. So I think out of the box it won't be charged, so let's quickly put it on charge and we can see what colors and stuff this thing shows. So with this Type C cable, you've got the option to plug the remote directly into your PC and use it straight like that. You can plug the Type C into the docking station or the charger, which is also then your receiver, or you can just use the remote like that and plug the receiver, which is at the bottom, straight into your PC. So you don't need to connect this. You've got a ton of options and stuff to how to connect this thing and where to use it. So a very versatile remote. Alright, so this will be your pairing button in the Bluetooth mode, and if you just press that home button, that'll turn on the remote like normal. So there it switches on, and then you can turn it to either Bluetooth mode or 2.4. If you want a good experience, it says you put it on 2.4 and plug in that dongle. So to turn it off, just press it and hold it for 3 seconds and it's off. Over here you've got your profile button, and all the other buttons are normal remote buttons. Alright, so all your normal buttons, lights, feedbacks, and everything, the remote it feels great in the hands. My hands are fairly large and it easily fits in my hands, and I can reach every button. Everything feels very, very good quality, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching.